Hello everyone, Brett here with the Sales Page Engine, and today we're going to take a look at the Sales Page Engine version 2. Now, unlike the original Sales Page Engine, version 2 is completely hosted on our servers for you. So in order to get to your members area, you're going to go to salespage-engine.com and you're going to click the login button. Just enter your email address and your password that you signed up with, and that'll take you to your page list. Now, we just created this account for the demo, so there is no pages in the page list. So what we're going to do to start off with is go over here and click on the Create New Page button. Now, it's going to ask you for two things when you create a new page. It's going to ask you for the file name and the page description. Now, the page description is only for reference when you're looking at your page list. So if you're making a page for one of your customers, you might want to put in the description that it's for a customer. Or if you're making a page for a specific promo, you can put all that in the descriptions just so you can remember what your pages are for. So we're going to make a index page because it's going to be a landing page, and we're just going to call it our test. And we'll create the new page. Now we have our page created. We have several options. The main thing that you're going to want to do is go over here and click on the Edit Page button. This will bring you to the page editor. This is actually where you build your page. All of the pages are created using these simple widgets up here. So for example, if you want to add in some text, you'll just left click on the text box widget, drag it into the canvas area here, and then you can enter your custom text. Now this is full WYSIWYG editor, so what you see is what you get. Make it a little bigger here. And it'll be just as you type it in there. Anytime you want to edit a widget, you can simply right click on it, and that'll let you edit the widget. And of course you can delete it as well. And as you can see, we have all kinds of widgets for all kinds of things that you might possibly want. We have the text editor, of course. We also have the image upload, so you can upload images from your computer. We have the HTML box, so you can add custom HTML. This is really good if you want to add a specific JavaScript widget. You can paste that in there. Or if you have an autoresponder like Aweber, Constant Contact, or MailChimp, they give you opt-in forms. You can paste that code in there and it'll work. We have a clip art widget. Now we do give you a library of 200 clip arts. So you can just copy it in there and choose the clip art that you want. And resize it as you need. And position it wherever you want as well. As you can see, it's extremely easy to build your page with the simple drag and drop and drag and resize system. We also have a YouTube video widget, so you can add YouTube videos to your pages. We have a PayPal widget because you're going to need PayPal buttons on your sales pages so that people can purchase your products. We didn't want to leave Facebook out, so we added a Facebook like button and also a Facebook comments box, so you can add those to your pages. Now these last three widgets are actually widgets that people had asked for that were customers of the original version of Sales Page Engine. They had asked for a iframe widget, so we added that. With the iframe widget, any website that will let you iframe it in, you can bring it in, or any part of a website. We added the Google Maps widget, so you can have a Google Maps. A lot of people who do pages for local businesses, the businesses want a map on their page, so you can go ahead and pop in a Google Map there. And we also added the color box widget, which just allows you to add simple colored boxes that helps with your design and your layouts. On the right hand here, you're going to see all your page settings. Now this is where you can set your meta tag settings for your page. That's good for SEO and also some of the general layout settings as well. So you can enter your page title, your page description, your page keywords. You can set the background color for your page if you like, anything you want. You can adjust the page's height and width. You can decide if your page should have a drop shadow on it. Let me change this background color. It's a little bright here for me. You can decide if your page is going to have a drop shadow or not. If it's going to have a border, you can put a border around it. You can put a solid, dotted, or dashed border. You can also choose the border's thickness if you decide to have one, and the border's color. If you want to have an on exit confirm, you can simply turn it on right here. Switch it to yes. And what that means is every time somebody tries to leave your page without clicking your opt-in or your sales button, it will pop up and ask them whatever text you type in here. And if they decide to not leave the page, it will take them to whatever URL you put in here. On the left-hand side, you can see all the software controls. And over here, it's pretty simple. You can save your page, obviously. You can get your help anytime you want. We have help videos to walk you through what you need to know. You can clear your page to reset it. You can download your page. And when you download your page, what that does is it takes all your graphics and all the CSS and all the JavaScript and everything that makes your page work, that is generated automatically with the drag and drop system. It takes all of that and compresses it into a single file, and just one HTML file. So that way, if you want to give it to your customers, you only have one file to give them. You don't have to give them a whole bunch of graphics and stuff, and you just give them one single file. We also have the pre-made templates. We give you 10 pre-made templates to get you started off. Click on that, and then you can just choose the template that you want, and that'll populate your canvas area with the template layout. And then you can just right click on the widgets to edit them as you like. And we do have a bunch of templates here. Some of them are for opt-ins, some of them are for sales pages, some of them are for thank yous. So let's go ahead and just save this. One of the other features that a lot of people have asked is the ability to use a page as a template. So we added that feature, and the way this works is you can go over here and click copy page. Just enter a new file name and a new page description, and you'll get a copy of your original page. That way you can edit that page and use your original as a template to reuse over and over again. Now, the sales page engine is constantly being updated. That's one of the advantages of having a hosted system like we have. We are constantly updating it. We're always listening to user feedback and adding new widgets and new features as per user requests. Now, obviously, that doesn't mean that if one person asks for a new feature, we're going to go ahead and add it right away. But what happens is when a couple of people, we start getting 5, 10, 15% of our customers asking for similar features, then we add it. So that's a quick look at the sales page engine. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Thank you.